Now find the values of identities using an angle. So we need to find the values of trigonometric functions for 390 degrees. Now the way to find it, the value is very huge. It's beyond 360. So once it goes beyond 360, you basically need to find its equivalent, how do you say, its equivalent angle that is not beyond 360 degrees. What that means is basically if you have this grid and let's say this is 390 degrees. How is it 390 degrees? Well, because this is 360 degrees and then you have a further this degree. So this complete angle is 300 and just a second. The software is a little bit buggy, but just bear with me. So this here angle is 390 degrees. And obviously it goes beyond 360, the complete revolution. So basically what we need to find is this angle only. That is equivalent to 390 degrees. What is this angle? Well, you can use the formula of 2k into 180 plus theta. 2 into 180 is obviously 360. So 360k plus theta. This angle here is theta, this angle. And we need to find theta. So how do we find the value of k? Well, just divide 390 by 360. You get 1.08. And so let k is basically 1. 0.08 is the remaining. It is basically a value that defines this angle theta. So 2k 180 plus theta. K is 1. So 2 into 1 into 180 plus 30 degrees is equal to 390 degrees. Because 2 into 1 into 180 is 360. 360 plus 30 is 390. So you can use the value of 30 to basically just represent 390. Because after one revolution, after 360 degrees turn, it's basically the same thing. So theta is 30 degrees, so sine 390 is equal to sine 30. Why do we need this small value? Well, because you can just use this particular example to solve this question. So let's say this is an equilateral triangle, and so basically each side is, let's say it is 2, 2, 2, and 2. Each angle of this triangle is basically just 60 degrees. So this angle is 60 degrees. So is this angle. So is this angle, because it's an equilateral triangle. Once you actually divide this triangle in half, basically this side would be 1 and this side would be 1. And this angle is 30 and this angle is 60. So sine 30, so the sine of this angle is just 1 by 2. Which is why we have this 1 by 2. And so you can use the same property. So cos 30 is equal to under root 3 by 2. You can use the same triangle as you did before to get this value. So tan 30 is equal to 1 by under root 3. And cosecant 30 is just 2, because it is the reciprocal of the sine. Sine 30, and sine 30 was 1 by 2, so the reciprocal of that is just 2. So secant 30, the reciprocal of cos 30 is 2 by under root 3, and cotangent 30 is the reciprocal of tan 30, which is 1 by under root 3, so it is under root 3.